Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or change a new mail notification sound on the iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. First, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, now we tap on settings. In settings, we go down and we tap on sounds and haptics. Then we go down and tap on new mail. Now by default it is set to none, so you don't get the alert sound. In here you can choose a sound. Okay, so select one of the sound. If you want a longer notification sound, then you would want to choose ringtones instead. Okay, so select one of the options and then tap on the back key to go back, or swipe up to go back to your home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.